Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV. Cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyaka, scatter.
Catch a prayer. Me doing a one bus stop, right? But the bus stop have been AC. Yeah. It's cold in there now. Huh?
Saffron is good.
Is this spices work?
Yes.
We got spices, tea, and different.
The saffron is good for the health, good for high blood, good for the heart. Many benefits of saffron. You just put little only in the food, or you put in the water also.
Yeah.
Hey, RT family. Sandy, you see that bus stop here? Look on the bus stop here. AC in the bus stop. Look here. You go in the bus stop and I AC in there. You hear that noise there? A prayer time now. When a prayer time, you hear that noise in the background.
These two get everyone.
Where the other two? Taxi.
That's it.
They have this Quran, the Holy Bible. So now they cannot touch the Holy Quran because of the damage. Before they open this one, and the Quran here is in the Arabic. And they have translation in English in other country, but the national language here is Arabic. So the Bible is written by the Arabic. So it's almost the same for the Bible and for this Quran, the Holy Bible. So you have any questions so far? So if you don't have any question, you can take picture. No problem.
So I can pray in here.
Yeah, you can stay in here. You can stand there or anywhere you can pray. Yeah. If you want, anyone can pray here. No problem. If you want my help, you can stand there in the blue carpet. And you can remove your mask. I can take it. Yes, thank you.
Excuse me, Muslim lady. They say you can't touch, so you don't have to touch me, you know. Don't touch me, come in, no. This is the place for them pray. You must not go near the woman, them. You must stay separate from the woman, them. Yeah, the prayer. Prayer. Yeah, take picture.
Picture. Try to do it. They can't do it. Did I get it?
Alright, she will take the picture.
Oh, you want to take one? Okay.
Man, don't touch me. Don't come near me. Nikki not supposed to come near me. So when you're in the place, you know, if you go near a woman. I mean, I want to lock you up. Sunday, we're in the Muslim place. I'm coming right now. I'm going to go pray for everybody. Where you go now? I'm going to bless the live. Let's bless the live in down. Bless the life. But Nick, take picture with your phone because through me I use that one and show you live. Just take picture of this so. You have picture of the roof already?
Yeah.
May I take a picture? Hold on, may I take a picture?
Also in that corridor, in the middle is very nice. This is all handmade structure, this one, all handmade. It's very nice.
Let me one
And also in your room, in the room of the room, in your
You notice everybody have to take off their shoes. We take group picture?
Yeah. The man, if you want, I can take you a good pitch. Maybe 1:30 to the.
Oh, okay.
Can you request a good picture? You can stand here. You can stand here.
Hey.
Because the leader, I think Saturday they off. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Nice, beautiful.
Nice.
Do you have something to do in the afternoon?
Around 11 o'clock. 10:59, just they call it be 11 o'clock.